Welcome to our Java programming tutorial series. In today's episode, we're diving deep into the world of methods. Specifically, we'll explore how to declare methods, pass parameters, and handle return types in Java. So, let's get started. In Java, a method is a block of code that performs a specific task. It's like a mini program within your main program. Let's see how we declare a method in Java. Here's the basic syntax for declaring a method in Java. Access modifier
determines the accessibility of the method, e.g., public, private, protected.
Return type specifies the type of value the method returns. It could be any valid data type or void if the method doesn't return anything. Method name, the identifier for the method. Parameters, input values that the method can accept, optional. For example, let's declare a simple method named greet that doesn't take any parameters and returns void. This method greet is accessible from anywhere in the program since it's declared as public. It doesn't take any parameters and doesn't return any value, indicated by the void return type. Now, let's explore how to pass parameters to methods in Java. Here's how you define a method with parameters. In this example, we have a method add that takes two integer parameters num1 and num2 and returns their sum. When calling this method, you provide values for the parameters, like so. Here, num1 is assigned the value 5, and num2 is assigned the value 3. Lastly, let's discuss return types in Java methods. A method can return a value of a specific type using the return statement. Here's an example. This method multiply takes two integer parameters and returns their product. When you call this method, it will return the result of the multiplication operation. And that wraps up our discussion on methods in Java. We've covered declaration, parameters, and return types. Feel free to experiment with these concepts in your own Java programs. Thanks for watching, and happy coding.